Do you know that you can now generate ebooks in less than 3 minutes? And I don't just mean a normal text-based ebook, I mean ebooks with graphics, pictures, whatever design at all. And you're basically doing this using artificial intelligence.
The name of the AI tool we're going to be using is Claude AI. So you want to simply type in cloud.ai on your web browser. And if you're using a mobile device, it's basically the same thing. Once you're here in Claude AI, all you have to do now is to tell Claude AI to generate you that particular PDF of the ebook idea you have. So for the sake of today's video, we're going to be creating an ebook based on stock investments. Okay, so all I'm going to do right now is tell Cloud generate me an ebook about stock investment. Now, like I made mention of in the start of today's video, that you can as well tell this AI to insert pictures, images, more graphical diagrams inside your PDF, so it's not just a text-based ebook. So you simply want to tell it as well to insert images, diagrams, or you can say diagrammatical representation to make the ebook more engaging and make it very detailed. Good. And now once you're finally done, all you have to do is simply click on generate over here, and now from here you just simply need to wait for Cloud to do its magic. And the best part of this particular AI tool is the fact that it comes with a whole lot of detail. It speaks more human, and then it's not just an AI tool that generates just listed. It makes it very detailed and explanatory for whoever is going to be reading your ebook. And as you guys can see, all we have to do now is to click on this PDF over here, or just simply click on download. And then after clicking on download, we can see how beautiful this PDF is. We have the stock investment masterclass, we have all the graphics, we have enough diagrammatical representation of everything, and we basically just told it to do it. We didn't have to use other sites or other platforms to add designs, add pictures, add graphs. It basically did absolutely everything. And now for you to actually start making sales or making money online through this method, you can head to several sites out there. The number one site I'm going to mention here is Seller, because Seller is actually one of the best and largest creator platform in Africa. This is actually one of the best sites you can go to start selling these ebooks you've generated. Just ensure you also add your own wordings, your own explanations, and more human emotions inside your ebook, so as to make it very well enjoyable. And then another platform you can actually upload your ebook on to start selling is the popular Selfani. This is actually another lovely website that is built for digital products online, and then it also allows global payments, even though Seller as well allows this. And then another lovely platform you can actually use is Gumroad. This is actually one of the biggest platforms in the entire globe that you can actually start selling your ebooks as well. Another amazing digital website out there is Create Sell. You're basically creating your ebook just like I showed you guys using Claude AI. You upload the PDF here and start selling, and you're basically doing all this for free in under 7 minutes here on this platform. And as you guys can see, they're basically featured in TechCrunch, TechCabal, TechCity, The Guardian, Punch, and Vanguard. And how it works, you're basically creating your own Create Self store, adding the PDF of your ebook itself, and then you go ahead and publish it. Just like every other platform I made mention of, it's basically the same thing you're doing here. And like I'm mentioning in this particular video, a whole lot of samples, just ensure you go to this site, sign up, start selling your ebooks immediately. But then you need to understand that for you to even sell them, you must also understand the aspect of marketing, that is, you ensuring that these ebooks are at the front of the right audience. And there's so many ways to go about this. The number one method is by doing direct selling. Direct selling is you starting with people around you, your family members, friends around you, telling them about this particular ebook you've created, and then obviously, so far it's very valuable, they're going to want to buy from you. Ensure you don't overcharge. Make it very optimal in terms of the money you're going to charge. And then another lovely website you can as well sell your ebooks on is Venblue. This is actually a new website that recently popped out, and the competition here is very low. And aside even selling ebooks, there are a whole lot of other things you can do, more like selling your mesh, where they basically run a print on demand service where you just design on your clothing and they help you do every other thing that is attached. And yeah, these are basically lovely platforms you can as well start with in terms of selling your ebooks online. And in addition to the direct selling, you can as well run a free or paid advertisement. Free involves you going to organic social platforms like TikTok or Instagram, and then you're creating videos on your products, and then from there you can actually get leads and you can convert them to sales. And if it's gonna be through the paid advertisement method, you can simply run Instagram advertisements or Facebook ads on your products. And obviously you want to ensure you're targeting the right audience in the ad set area. You want to ensure you're targeting the right locations, the right age of people that you know would be interested in these particular products, and most importantly, the geographical location. And yeah, this is something you also want to ensure you understand. You want to ensure you learn how to run Facebook ads properly, so that when you're running your ads, you're not just running it like a normal beginner. You're running it with someone that knows the exact way to run advertisement. And now all we have to do is to take this particular PDF and go to either one of all the sites and start selling. And like I made mention of the fact that it needs to be valuable, so in case you even want to do organic or paid advertisements, you know that what you're about to advertise is way valuable. In conclusion, in whatever type of ebook you want to create, you need to ensure that it is solving a problem or teaching something that is high in demand, so that you're not going to be struggling to get buyers or clients or customers. Create something that solves a problem. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a whole lot in this video and it's really helpful to you, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members out there. And I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.